Hey guys, I was the last time hard in draft mode, my friends. Like I promised, all objects in anime style texture. I'm not completely convinced with the colors, maybe too gray, too less different colors, but at this point the comic style looks fairly cool. At the room object, I'm tried out the background color with a basic texture. It's for the giant surface without too monochrome. On the mostly places are the same items like in the video before, for example the lounge corner and the elevator. That's the beginning of the stairs object to lead us later to the next areas. Actually, I struggle a little bit with ideas for the next segments. The other side provides the port for the, conversation with the head chief. I tried to make it a little bit more alive. It's sadge, but behind these kitchen walls, on this side are the protection doors from the alien isolation. Means we can something tinker in. Now we are in the kitchen. I pilled a bunch of the items over here, but I know it's still empty. It's on my to-do list to tinker more small items. If you have cool ideas, write below in the description. You can also support me with like the video and subscribe. Then thanks so much for watching and make sure you have a great day.